So, good morning, class. So, I'm just coming to teach you about how to excel in an examination. Okay? So, life is quite difficult, but you need to excel. And how to excel, I'm going to teach you the roadmap to become excellent in your examination. Alright? So, let me teach you the steps. And if you follow it, trust me, this is the first and last stage which you need to become excellent student. So, these are the list of items and procedures you need to follow to become excellent students. 1. Get all the curriculum which you need for the course. Alright. Number 2. Get all important list of textbooks that are needed for the course. Okay. Thirdly, get your classroom notes. What it means is that you need to go to your class and listen to your lectures every time and good notes copied from your lecturer or tutor. Thirdly, get internet sources. Alright, depending upon the curriculum. All right, let your guide be by your curriculum. Okay, then solve past questions if any, and then read inside out the textbook cover to cover several times. The internet source, go over several times repeatedly, because if you do it once, it's not going to stay, it's not going to work. Now, be passionate about whatever you are doing. Have passion. Anything which is passion driven becomes successful. Then add enthusiasm and have good discussions. Okay, so trust me, if you follow these steps, you're going to score high marks and be an excellent student wherever you go to. All right, so that is about it. All right, see you.